Stop whatever you're doing. What I'm about to show you will blow your mind. Google's new Nano Banana AI is insane. It makes Photoshop and Canva look like Microsoft Paint. Hello friends, I'm Grace. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you Google's insane AI transformation. Google just dropped something so powerful, so mind-blowing, that people are already calling it the iPhone moment of AI image editing. It's called Nano Banana Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And this tool lets you edit photos, swap faces, design ads, and create Hollywood-level visuals just by typing plain English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana for free. Test out some of the craziest AI demos you've ever seen on YouTube, and then reveal how you can actually turn this into a real business. Stick around till the end, because the last demo will leave you speechless. So what exactly is Nano Banana? Think of it as Google's next-generation image editing brain. Unlike Photoshop, where you drag layers, or Canva, where you use templates, here you just type what you want and your image is ready. Want to turn your photo into an 18th century princess in a princess gown? Done. Want Cristiano Ronaldo flying like Superman over Old Trafford? Done. Want your photo on a large billboard placed on a busy highway with the text saying, "Subscribe to Tech with Grace"? Done. Before we dive in, if you think this content has value, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. It really helps me bring you more amazing hacks like this. Nano Banana isn't just photorealistic. In this image, we asked to change the her dress and mic color, and it's done. In this image, we wanted to change the dress and we model to look straight, and it's done. Google Nano Banana is consistent. It understands characters, scenes, lighting, background, and merges it all naturally. That's what makes it different from older models like DALL-E or Midjourney. Okay, now let's see how to access and use Google Gemini 2.0 Nano Banana. The good news is you can use Nano Banana right now for free. Here's how to do it. First, head over to Google AI Studio. Next, under the Build tab, you'll see many apps already powered by Nano Banana. Let's check a few of them. You can find some cool apps like this. Fast Forward. This app uses AI to generate Polaroid-style images of you, reimagined in the iconic styles versions of you in the 70s, 80s, 90s, or 2000. Just upload your photo, wait a few seconds, and boom, your iconic styles images are ready for download. Another interesting app is Gemini Co-Drawing. In this app, you create a rough sketch and write your prompt. Gemini brings your drawings to life. Co-create collaboratively with AI by sketching and prompting. With this Gemini co-drawing feature, you can create digital products like sketchbook, cartoon, paintbook for kids, etc. But the real magic happens inside Gemini itself. That's where you upload an image, type your instructions in plain English, and 5 to 10 seconds later, you get insane results. All right, enough theory. Time for the fun part. I asked Nano Banana to do some crazy things. We'll show you one by one. Go to Gemini Nano Banana. On this screen, click Try Nano Banana tab. Upload an image and write simple prompt. Make her wear jacket for her YouTube podcast. Done! Look at the result. With just one simple prompt and your image is ready. In this image, we gave simple prompt. Change the dress and make her look straight at the camera. Wow, look at the result. In seconds, it gave a perfect result. All right, let's move to the next one. I'm uploading 2 images. The first is of a woman, and the second is a cheetah cub. Now I'll write the prompt. Create an image where this woman is cuddling the cheetah cub from the second image. And boom, the result is insane. It generated a stunning picture of the woman cuddling the cheetah cub. The image looks so realistic, and the best part? It perfectly maintains the woman's face consistency. Absolutely mind-blowing. All right, let's try something crazy. Imagine turning your photo, or even your loved one's, into a collectible figurine just for fun. Write the prompt like this, and boom, just like that, your photo is transformed into a gift pack figurine. How cool is that? I bet Gen Z would go absolutely crazy for it. Check the prompt in the description below. All right, next up, let's see how to create 3D models using Gemini Nano Banana. Just upload your family photo, then use this prompt right here. And don't worry, I've put the full prompt in the description below. And look at this. Absolutely amazing! The result is mind-blowing. All right, friends, let's move to the next one. And trust me, this is the most sensational use case for Nano Banana yet. Imagine turning any object into a 3D hologram in just 30 seconds. Just use this prompt. Turn the object into a 3D transparent line art hologram. And check this out. The results are insane. It looks like something pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. This wristwatch, for example, turns completely transparent, but still keeps every tiny detail. Look at this, an entire car turned into a hologram. Absolutely amazing. I never thought something like this would be possible, and all it took was a single, simple prompt. All right, now let's check out the final one. This is where it gets really exciting. You can create 3D holographic animals, human body parts for educational videos, sell high-quality digital images, or even make highly engaging videos. Let's see how to create a video using a 3D holographic effect. First, generate a rhino with the 3D holographic prompt. In just a few seconds, your futuristic rhino will be ready. Now, to turn it into a video, you can use Google Veo or openart. For this demo, we'll use openart. Simply head over to openart. Select Image to Video option from the drop-down menu. Upload your holographic rhino image you just created on Nano Banana. Once your Rhino 3D image is uploaded, just follow a few simple steps. First, select the Kling 2.1 AI video generation model. Then, go to Image to Video prompt and write a detailed action prompt. Something like, the rhino begins by slowly walking toward the camera while the camera smoothly moves backwards. Next, choose your video duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and set the video quality. Keep in mind, openart will use around 300 to 400 credits to generate the video. Now, once you're ready, just hit the Create button, and boom, your mind-blowing holographic video is ready. So, what do you think? Did Google just kill Photoshop and Canva in one shot, or will they fight back and adapt? I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for all new notifications. This is Grace, signing off. The future is editable. See you in the next one.